Hello class. Today I would like to show you the physical programming simulator that we're going to use for many of the exercises in our class. The first column has four LEDs of different colors, and above each LED there's the name of it that we refer to in our program. So we have R LED, Y LED, G LED, and B LED for red, yellow, green, blue colors. Next column over here are push buttons, and their names are button underscore 1, button underscore 2, button underscore 3, button underscore 4. And you can see that if we click on any of these buttons, you will get a visual indication that the button has been clicked. Over here is a light sensor. It's a different type of button in that it maintains its settings. So right now it's in the daylight setting. If we click it once, it goes to the nighttime setting. If we click it again, it goes back to the daytime setting. Over here is a temperature sensor. That's a slider, and that can be adjusted up and down from -50 to +150, and it will start at 0. Over here is a buzzer. There's no action on the symbol here, but in our program we can use a feature to make it create an annoying noise. So what I'd like to do now is I'd like to run a program that checks if this is working, and take a look as we run the program at our LED. So when I start the program, there's a bit of a delay. The light comes on for 2 seconds, and then it goes off for 2 seconds, and then the program finishes. While not exciting, it does prove that the simulator is working. So let's switch over and look at the code that creates that. So here's my code window, and it is Python, perhaps for some of you the first Python program that you've looked at. And we will talk a lot more about how the program works, but just to give you a few details, in line 1 we say that we need to import a program called phi_sense_emu that connects your program to the simulator, and then in line 5 we have to create a sensor for the use in our program. Line 7 is a reminder that the simulator itself has to be run before we run our program, or else we won't see anything. And line 9 says go to sleep for 2 seconds. The interesting line here at line 12 says that with our sensor we want to do an output, and in the parentheses we say we want to output to our LED the state on, and then we want to print it in our window. Then we want to go to sleep for 2 seconds. And in line 17, similarly, we want to say we're going to output our LED off, print our LED off, go to sleep for 2 seconds, and that's it. So focusing on this window instead of the other window, you can see when I ran it before, it actually created this output. And if we run it again, we'll see how the output gets created. So there's the first message, the RLED message, RLED off message, and the program is done. So in this course you're going to learn how to write programs like this and how to use the simulator. And if you're interested, within your PyCharm environment is actually the code that makes the simulator work, which would make for some fascinating reading and let you know how to do this on your own. Hope you enjoyed this, and don't forget to ask me questions if you have them.